Cause I do it all with a passion. Passion, passion. Trying to get all I've imagined. Imagined, imagined. I got that fire that...
Good morning, YouTube. Johannesburg, South Africa, America, wherever you're watching from. Philadelphia, my hometown. Hi, boo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There is supposed to be load shedding, and I still have electricity. Make it make sense. I don't know what's going on, but I was like, wow, I'll take it. Anyway, in the meantime, I will be making this vlog, just showing life as a wife of Johannesburg. Guys, walking around and just smelling my roses, like they always get me flowers and they just sit there all the time, and until I change the water, then they go back to sitting there. So now I just try to like carry them around, play with them. I might cut another one and put it in my hair for today. Have it during my classes. Look like a mamacita. I don't know. But I just want to be more in tune with my flowers. Anyway, let's get popping.
Buffett, even when it's cloudy and looking gloomy, you must still get up and gym. Hit the gym, guys. It's so good for your health. And Pilates has been the best thing I've ever done.
Okay, so now I'm going to get back to work until my lunch break. Then I'm gonna be back to work. So I'll see you guys at lunch. Yesterday I made some delicious nachos for Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna have that for lunch. Hey, my boy.
Welcome to episode 2 of American Makoti. We're making a South African classic, okay? You've got to know how to make this. Pap and broths. It's very nice to have acha on the side, and then in addition, I'm making some gravy of my own, adding some jalapenos because, you know, I like it spicy. And there you have it, beautiful people. Pap, broths, acha, le gravy. In this beautiful wedding gift of a dish. Yeah.
The next day.
I've changed my schedule tremendously. So now I have off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Just so I can have that like housewife vibe. And then I go heavy on the classes Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Half day Saturday. So let's see what my new itinerary is like. Guess up. You see the before and the after. Starting my day with ginger beer. It's so bad, but it's so good.
shosho amajitas. After some tequila, ne, it's not good to go bumping around in the kitchen too much. So I just air fried some chicken, toasted some garlic bread, got my peri-peri sauce. Hubby's happy. Morning. Moko is going to the groomer. Do you know? Do you know that? No. Hopefully he's gonna look much, much sexier. He just looks crazy. Like, what is this? The way they shaved him, this is just not how you shave a rag doll. Like, there's a certain way their hair needs to be cut. I don't even know what to say. I don't know. I am legit stressed out right now. Like, I'm supposed to be doing something productive, like eating or having a shower in between my class while I have a very short break. And instead, I'm just laying here with Milko because I'm like in distress and he's relaxed, but I'm just like, look at this haircut. He looks crazy. Yeah. I'm hoping this will cheer him up. Wetty. What's this? Wet food. This week I haven't worn any makeup so this is like a little something as we're going to church and then we're going to a family bride. Oh, it looks like an ab. Oh, this is an ab lounge. They have this in the U.S.
How does it work?
So you lay on it, you put your legs down here, and it just helps you do different ranges of crunches and sit-ups. You gonna give it a go? Drop and give me 50. But you gotta go back.
Oh, do I have to lay down?
Yeah. Think of crunches.
Okay. a workout on. Not everybody working out now.
With this view,
I would be so motivated. Dang.
Dunkin' Donuts, I won 25. I'm going home for my family.
That's like concept perspective.
So you go to the gym, go get shots afterwards, get some donuts,
They bring the shots to the
and then
gym.
work it off the next day.
Yeah, they took me out for my birthday. They gave me a farewell. Yeah, it's like a family thing. Put it all the way up, like yeah.
All the way.
Wait, don't lift. Okay, let's see.
Ooh, Hercules! Hercules! Ready, steady, yay! Whoa, how did he get all the way up there?
And now how does he get off?
How does he get down? Oh my gosh, we gotta go.
I think we have to fetch him.
That's all, folks.
Oh my gosh! Wait, what happened, babe?
Cause I do it all with a passion, passion, passion.